In today's video, I'm going to teach you OBS Studio, how to stop audio looping, audio echoes in OBS. Echo and looping usually happen when your voice is being captured more than once through duplicate sources in OBS, your microphone picking up your speakers, or audio monitoring sending your mic back to your output. Let's walk through how to clean this up so your stream or recording sounds clear. Start by opening OBS Studio. As soon as it's up, speak normally and watch the audio mixer panel. This is your dashboard for spotting problems. You should ideally see one mic meter moving for your voice and your desktop audio meter only when your system is playing sound. If multiple bars jump when you talk, you likely have duplicate sources. Mute any extras so only your main microphone remains active. You can do that by clicking the little speaker icon under the sources that shouldn't be picking up your voice. This is a quick way to confirm which channel is the correct mic and which ones are causing the loop. Next, go to File, then Settings, and open the Audio tab. Here, disable any devices you don't need. Set only your primary microphone as the mic auxiliary audio device. For desktop audio, choose the correct playback device you actually use. Keeping just one mic and one desktop device here prevents OBS from doubling your inputs behind the scenes. If you're using speakers, your mic is probably capturing that playback and feeding it back into OBS. Switch to headphones to prevent this. It's one of the simplest and most effective fixes. Also, keep the mic a bit away from your ear cups and at a reasonable gain level to reduce room spill. Back in the audio mixer, right-click and choose Advanced Audio Properties. Find your microphone and set audio monitoring to monitor off or to output only if you need it routed to the stream without being played back to you. Avoid any mode that sends your mic to your speakers while the mic is live, as that can create a loop. Now click the three dots next to your mic in the audio mixer, choose Filters, and add a noise suppression filter. This helps reduce room echo and background hum that can be mistaken for feedback. Keep the suppression strength moderate so your voice stays natural. Finally, in your Windows sound settings, make sure your microphone isn't set to listen to this device. If it is, Windows will loop your mic to your speakers before OBS even sees it. Speak again and watch the mixer. With just your main mic active, proper audio device settings, monitoring set correctly, and headphones in place, the echo should be gone.